Facts about hero of KGF 2, Yash. Yash always wanted to become a big screen hero, and that's why he left his hometown and came to Bangalore. Here he worked as a theatre artist and learned the acting. Before venturing into cinema, Yash started off his showbiz journey with TV serial Nanta Kakula, followed by a couple of more series in Kannada language. Yash mostly played supporting roles in the initial years of his career, and his major break came in the form of a cameo appearance in 2007 Kannada film Jambada Hogi. Yash also nominated in Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actor for the movie Moggina Manasu in 2007, which was directed by Shashank. The first solo commercial hit of Yash was Mudala Sala. The first solo commercial hit of Yash was in 2010, which was directed by the Purushottam C. Sumanthapura. Apart from acting, Yash also had donned various hats in Kannada film industry. He turned signer for two of his movies, Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari and Masterpiece. Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari and Masterpiece, for which he sang the songs Anthema and Anangi Love Agiri respectively. Yash is married to actor Radhika Pandit and the couple have two kids together. They first met on the sets of TV serial Nanda Kakulu and dated for 6 years before tying the knot in 2016. Yash and Radhika made their filmy debut together in Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari in 2014. Birthday 8th January 1986. Latest movie KGF. Personal life. Age 35 years old. Date of birth 8th January 1986. Birthplace Karnataka, India. Zodiac sign Capricorn. Nationality Indian. Hometown Bangalore, Karnataka, India. School Mahajana High School, Mysore, Karnataka. Education. Qualification not revealed yet. Religion Hinduism. Gender male. Hobbies singing. Languages English, Hindi.